And CEO of Wealth Management Group here to talk us through exactly what's going on Wall Street and the stock market. So, Craig, let's start with what happened yesterday, some coronavirus, some oil. What were the big concerns yesterday?
Well, good to be back. And yes, how can anyone not be concerned when the market has the single largest record point loss, some 2,000? And there's always a plot and a subplot, the plot being the virus, the subplot being cascading oil prices causing shock through the oil fields, through oil companies, through banks that loan them money, because of what's happened in Saudi Arabia and in Russia.
We were talking in the break, and you said now everyone is officially freaking out, and they have good reason to do so. Why is that? Well,
I think everyone's freaking out because you're seeing it work. I mean, you just said Coachella's canceled. Events are canceled. People are really starting to hunker down at home. And in the United States, we're a consumer-driven economy, not so much a manufacturing economy. And if we see people staying home and not doing the normal routine, that's going to show up in the economic data, which is weighing on stock portfolios.
We're hoping to learn more today about these details with the payroll tax cuts, maybe people getting more money out of their checks every month. Do we have any details on what that might look like, and is that going to help?
Well, you know what, right now we're detail light, but here's the truth. I think the big headline, what caused the rebound today, wasn't just that we fell so hard so fast yesterday, and there's historic precedent that we usually bounce for a while, but we did see payroll tax holidays under President Obama in 2011, 2012, adding money into people's paycheck. But professionals on Wall Street are saying right now the government's taking this serious. They're going to provide some levels of fiscal stimulus, not just monetary stimulus, which is that interest rate thing from the Fed. And I think that should reassure investors that we've been here before and we will come out of this on the other side.
Well, I bet your phone's ringing off the hook. What are you actually telling people, and what are you worried about?
Well, I think what I do worry about is this. For our investors, for the Wealth Management Group clients, did we anticipate it getting this bad? No, but everybody has a plan. They have asset allocations. They have 2 to 3 years of safe money, which historically allows us to ride through anything. But what I worry about is younger investors who have never been through this before, who suddenly get turned off from investing. We can't have that. And I also worry about other investors who have been conditioned to buy the dip every single year for the last 11 years. I don't know that this is a complete buy the dip mentality just yet.
All right, we'll wait and see with how the markets respond today and this week. Craig Bolanos, founder and CEO of Wealth Management Group. Thanks so much for coming back and talking with us today.
Absolutely.
Thanks so much.